License casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win!
So for here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise one leg up at a time. If I raise this up, do you notice any pain in the low back or in the hips with this? No. Okay. If I flex the foot like this, any increase in pain with anything? If I push down on your hip, any pain in your low back or your hips? No. Okay, good. So we're going to do the same thing with the other side. Now granted with that, you may have tight calves or tight hamstrings with that. Any pain in the low back or the hips?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
On the right side? Right. Okay. So I want you to flip over and we're going to lift up just like this. Any pain when doing this? No. Okay, good. When I bring your foot in like that, any pain in the low back? Any pain with this?
A little.
A little? Where at?
T2
right
on the
there.
right, so.
On the left. There you go. Good. Got a nice little bit of movement there. I'm going to drop down to that T2 on the right. Perfect. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. And one more time, deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Perfect. Okay. Good. So I get a little bit of movement. Perfect. There we go.
Preemptive crack.
I know, right? She's already moving before. Lean back on me. Come Actually, up here. This is where we start to distract the spine. So I'll spend a little extra time up in the trap area, and the traps go all the way up. And we'll follow it all the way up too, and then we start coming down.
Beforehand, and we'll make sure she's kicking afterwards. All right, nice deep breath through your nose now, Kelsey. Let it all out and relax. I'm just gonna put some easy traction. There you go, better. You feel that all the way down? Palmer diversified cervical rotary adjustment on her cervical spine. So her right side joint's off. So we're gonna adjust that first. There. We'll loosen this up. You're not quite as heavy as the last guy we got on here. And there's the sacrum and the left SI joint. But her right ilium is also in. Oh yeah, see how easy that's all moving today now? That's what happens when you take compression stress off the spine. Yeah, we already got all that. Good. Okay, now, that very first adjustment, I think you had a lot of muscle hypertonicity and stuff to grade up and back. This puts the curve back in your cervical spine. A little drop there. I'm going to get your clavicle costosternal joints right here. This will help. Okay, just relax your legs in my hand. Now you should have felt that in your knee and your back.
Yes.
Good. And that's it. Excellent. There we go. Good. Yep. Ooh, boy.
I know.
I heard that one out in the parking lot.
Yeah.
That's great. You didn't know you were so noisy, did you?
Mm-mm.
Excellent. Or you might have, actually.
I
You
pop my
probably go around
thumbs
and
a
pop
lot.
everything around
Yeah.
and look in the mirror. And that's perfect. Look up at the ceiling. You'll feel a little tap right there. You're going to feel another little tap right there. Okay, now relax
What you
again.
do first is just adjust your hips a little bit, nice and easy. You're going to feel this table drop nice and gently. It's not going to hurt. It's going to feel like the table's just dropping. Just a gentle adjustment to fine-tune your hip joints. And adjust your right of this SI joint right here. Adjust your lumbar spine. Just breathe in for me really deep. You're going to feel this drop also. Breathe all the way out. Nice and easy. It was L5. Good. Doing good. Doing good. There we go. We do one more time. We go up to L4 and breathe in and just let it go. All the way out. Let it go. There we go. Yeah. Just let it go. There we go. There we go. You got it. There you go.
This still sounds scared.
I'm going to stabilize you here, and I want you to breathe in really deep for me one more time. I'll roll you forward. Okay. There we go. Relax. There we go. There we go. That's perfect. That's perfect. Nice. So you tighten up, but you won't fall. Bring it in. And again, I just want you to breathe in. All the way out. Right there. Just relax. That was it. Good. Good. Come right on your back, face up. There we go. You let your legs them up. Okay. Okay. Sometimes one side of the hip gets a little bit more tighter than the other, and that's what. And also that'll affect, if your hips are off, that'll also affect your ankles as well. So sometimes what I suggest to people is if they come in, take off their shoes, I'll adjust their ankles and adjust your elbow joints. Relax here, just like that. It's all right. Don't worry. Right, so adjust your joints inside the hands, with your fingers. Good. Just relax, please. Right. All right. And just relax. Good. Just like that. Good. A little bit more. Good. It's right there. Right. Excellent. Beautiful. It'll go nice and easy. Just gonna stretch a little bit. I'm gonna go slow. I promise you. Okay. Good. Just gonna bring it out to here. Just relax. There you go.
And nice and deep, all the way out. Excellent motion. Breathe in again and out. Beautiful. One more and out. Wow, that moved already.
Already, just from your touch.
Amazing. I think she's biased. Nice and easy. Shoulders drop.
So
Beautiful
good.
motion. Come on over this way. Breathe in nice and deep. And out. Wow. Start over here.
So good.
One more.
All over again.
So you working late still?
Yeah.
What time you get out?
Around midnight.
Okay. Adjusting. And give me a breath in and then breathe out. And again here. And here. And here and out. One more here. Good. On your back, in and out. Go flat on your back, bend your right knee. And breathe in and out. Flat on your back, and a breath in and out. Good. Good. Relax that. Hand on your cheek. And a breath in, and then breath out. Good. I'm going to adjust the upper left first to encourage motion into the restriction. Good, and relax one more here. Little baby one there. We'll go over to the side. Let's check motion here again.
For this, so we know exactly what's going on, what we're treating on her. We're going to adjust her where she needs it. Want this, Luciana? There you go. And then this one here. Oh, those were big ones, eh?
Shoulder.
Good little baby one there. Now roll on your side, face me this way. Have you missed this? Yeah.
So much.
Let this relax back. There you go. Other side. So I think she's really been looking forward to this adjustment. Good. On your back. Good. All right. Good. Let this drop in right there. Take a breath in and out. Lift your head up, please. Good. All right, let's check your. Good. All right. If you guys are making it this far in the video, I want to hear in the comments below what your plans are for the summer, especially if they are to come visit us. There you go. All right, Anna, a full body.